Hello students, welcome to Moral Science class. This is your Moral Science book, Wings of Wisdom. Today we will read Unit 1, God the Creator. So look out your book, page number 5. This is Unit number 1, God the Creator. Here are some wonderful creations of God. Now, what does wonderful creations? The things made by God. Can you name them, children? They are the sun, the moon, the trees, the flowers, etc. Now, look at the picture. Picture number 1. These are stars. We see the stars. Where do you see the stars? We see the stars in the sky at night. So, complete the spelling of stars by adding S. S-T-A-R-S. What do you see in the next picture? Oh, what a beautiful butterfly. What is the spelling of butterfly? B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. What is the missing in the spelling? B. So write the B in the blank to complete its spelling. Whom do you see in the next picture? A boy. Check if the spelling of boy is correct. What is the missing? B. So write the B in the blank box. B-O-Y, boy. What do you see in the next picture? Tree. What is missing in the spelling? T. T-R-E-E, tree. How do we write parrot? Now what do you see in the picture? This is a parrot. So write the P in the given box. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Now let us write the spelling of fish. F-I-S-H. Where will you find the fish? In water. Look at this picture. This is a bird. Birds fly in the sky. So write the B in the given box. B-I-R-D. This is an elephant. Can you guess which letter is missing? E. So write the E in the given box. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Now let us read the story Travelers and a Tree. I request you students, you put your finger on the book and read it carefully. It was summer and two men were walking to a city. See in the first picture, two men were walking in the city. By noon, it became too hot. They wanted to take a rest. See the second picture, you know, noon's time it is too hot and they want to take rest somewhere. Seeing a large tree nearby, they sat under it to take rest in its shade. Now in third picture, they are sitting under a tree. They looked up to see if there were some fruits, but they did not find anything. In fourth picture, you are looking up because they are hungry and they want to eat something but did not get anything. One man said, "What a useless tree this is. It does not have fruits or nuts that we can eat." Out of them, one man said, "What a useless tree, because this tree do not have any fruits or nuts." The other man said, "Do not be so cruel. It gives us shade to take rest and you call it useless." Another man said, "Do not be cruel. This tree is not useless because it gives us shade to take rest." All of God's creations have a good purpose. All of God's creations have a good purpose. We should never consider some of them bad or inferior. So, children, what do you learn from this story? Nothing is useless. All the creations of God are very useful for us. So, we should not consider some of them bad or inferior. Now it's your homework that you have to read the story twice and complete page number 5. Thank you, students. You should obey your parents and elders and have a good day.